Be ready? Start. It also gives me great pleasure that on the occasion of this conference, we have among us the Director General of UNESCO and the Chairman and a member of the Executive Board staff. Their participation will enable them to appreciate the problems and aspirations of a region where more than half of mankind lives. Stop. It will also give the new Director General a deeper insight into the tasks which await the organization in this part of the world. Stop. The proposal to set up National Commission in member states is to be commended for many reasons. Stop. This has resulted in the establishment of a permanent agency for the working out of UNESCO's ideas at many levels. Stop. While the membership of UNESCO is confined only to states, it is obvious that its work must be carried out among the people. Stop. The National Commission, with its close association with various non-official agencies, provides a platform to disseminate UNESCO's programs in many ways. Stop. One may, in fact, say that UNESCO's work is delegated to these national commissions. Stop. To my mind, the main purpose of setting up the national commissions was, on the one hand, to make UNESCO conscious of the people's needs, and on the other, to make the people conscious of UNESCO's functions and purposes. Stop. The national commissions are therefore the proper agencies to spread UNESCO's ideas and objectives among the people. Stop. One may, in fact, go so far as to say that UNESCO is active only with the national commissions are active. Stop. Similarly, the national commissions can function properly only if UNESCO is active. Stop. If we keep this test before us, we have to admit that the national commissions have not always been as effective as we would wish them to be. Stop. I am not referring to the United States or some of the European countries, for I have no direct knowledge of the activities of the national commissions in these areas. Stop. So far as the Eastern countries are concerned, by and large, they have not yet fulfilled what we expected of them. Stop. The commissions have been set up, offices opened, and staff employed, but they have not yet made their influence felt in their own countries, nor have they reflected adequately their points of view in framing UNESCO's general program. Stop. This is the feeling I have in respect of the Indian National Commission, though our foreign friends may think otherwise. Stop.